Hey guys, look at this cool toolbox setup. This is my toolbox. Tell me how it looks. I'm an electrician, so we have to have a bunch of rules of electrical tape. If you're an electrician, we got wire strippers, bits, multimeter, speaker. If I want to jam out, drill, another multimeter. Can never have too many multimeters. This drawer is the awesome drawer. I'll save that one for last. Right. Drill, Dremel, marker, that stuff for the Dremel. PVC cutters, Milwaukee, Allen keys, bunch of spade bits, line tester, pliers, ring screw thing, a conduit cutter, bits, things. Yeah. Open this one up. This is like all the pliers and wire strippers. So needle nose pliers, my automatic wire strippers, pliers. I got 2 pairs of them. I found installing sprinklers, like fire alarm sprinklers, marker, wire cutters, conduit, like tightener nut things, wire stripper, linesman, and marker. I put 2 in here. This one is the holy grail. All my screwdrivers. Right here we got 2 of the exact same Milwaukee ratcheting screwdrivers. I have 2 of them. This Milwaukee Phillips head multi-bit small screwdriver. This thingy I got off of Amazon. Klein's tool screwdriver. This screwdriver. We got some Torx, Phillips, marker, conduit cutter, Phillips. That's a multi-bit small screwdriver, flathead, Phillips, flathead. And then over here, I got my other toolbox pack out thingy. Yeah, I'll show you what's inside of that in another video. But this is like all my screwdrivers, all my pliers, all my miscellaneous stuff. But yeah, this is my toolbox setup. I'm gonna get it cleaned up. I'm going to dust it off, repaint this part right there. That's making me mad. Try repainting these parts because they're like chipping paint. But yeah. And these things lock up, so I have to put this back. Turns off automatically. Oh, right here we got another wire stripper. Safety glasses, gloves, whole 9 yards. Tape measure, forgot about that tape measure. These cup things for nuts and bolts, magnets, little, yep. When this is closed, it won't lock up. Got my keys inside. No, I don't have them. Yeah, I have them. Yep, that's my toolbox. See ya. Have a good day.